I decided to take the Google Nano Banana Pro paid for the API. And here we go. What I've done is I've taken from the Gemini website and I've changed it a little bit for my own purpose. Okay. So let's start with create a storyboard for the scene. Okay. It's just a random thing, but I want to add an image from my OneDrive. This is an image that I took in Japan. Let's just see what happens here. It's obviously going to take a little bit of time. I think probably I will have to fast forward this when I share. I'll let that happen. You can see that it's thinking, creating a narrative. There you go. It created a storyboard. A quiet afternoon in the park with statues. Suddenly one of the statues starts to move. The others come to life, greeting their friend. Park fills with laughter as explode. Actually, it's pretty good. Okay, let's take the second one. So I wrote something about digital wallets business model, and I'm going to create an infographic using Nano Banana. Let's try that. Is it for 10 seconds? Thinking about it. 15, 16 seconds. The basic thing is it's just about 20 seconds. It's thought through everything. It's analyzed the components. It's created visual accuracy. And there you go. It's pretty nice little image. Funding the wallet, initiating the payment, processing authorization, settlement and confirmation, funds transferred. This is pretty neat and clean. So this is a great way to create infographics. I love it. I have a Canon, and what I'm going to do is have that image here, and let's see if it can do what it can do. And I'm going to ask it to translate some of these things. Change the text also. This is a can of, I think, beer from Tokyo. Let's see if we can convert it into text that I want. I'm going to make it fresh AI juice, whatever that means. And the text is rendered pretty well. Oh, it's got some Arabic. It's got some Hindi. It did not make 3 images though. Made 3 and different colors. Let's see if that works. Okay. But so far it's used about 2,800 tokens. Yeah. About 13,000 tokens available. So it's not bad. It's taken about 16 seconds here. Wow. That's beautiful. It's excellent. The quality is really good. And the language, there's no mistakes in the alphabets like Chat or the others make. That's pretty good, I would say. Okay. Let's try another one. I'm going to create a logo for my InsurTech podcast. Let's see how that goes. In fact, why don't I create a new prompt so that I don't use too many tokens. Okay, there we go. Here we go. It's taking about 16 seconds here. This is not brilliant, or the FS part is not very clear. Make FS more clear. I mean, not that. See if it understands it properly. It's taking about 16 seconds here. Instead of our wave shape, we'll keep like a form shape. Maybe I can't spell. There we go. Now let's see if he gets it. Okay. It's taking some time as usual. Ooh, struggle to do that. Yeah. That's not bad. I'll have to create a brand identity system for this new brand, Fresh AI Juice. Going to create some 10 mock-ups for different products, ads, billboards, bus stop, etc., and generate one by one. Okay, there you go. That's actually pretty good. Give me a bus view. It didn't make the bus view, right? Bus stop and billboard. Billboard. Let's try that. The lettering is precise. That is really cool in this. Amazing. New brand, Fresh Juice by future view on the ad. Let's see if you can do that. Billboard ad is perfect, but you can see the token usage here. This one's taken about a minute. And you can see that it's thinking about this quite a lot. It's crossed a minute in my Let's Play. With using grounding with Google search, the stop sequence, upper length maximum is 32,000. Resolution is 1K. Suppose you can make it higher resolutions. Fantastic. Okay. So I think this probably failed while trying to do it. This one didn't work. Okay. I suppose I should have given the instruction quite clearly. Instead of saying, give me a bus stop ad and a billboard ad, I should have said, for fresh AI juice. Okay, let's just stop this because I think clearly it's going wrong. All right, let's just recreate this for the brand Fresh AI Juice by Future You. Right? That should work. Let's see how this goes. It's telling me that. Okay, now I think it's starting to make the mock-ups. There you go. There's the first one has come. Fresh AI Juice by Future You. Okay, it's pretty clear as well. Wow, wonderful. Make this bigger. Future of freshness powered by fresh juice. Okay, that is pretty forward. All right. This is pretty good, right? Your daily upgrade fresh juice. That's pretty nice. Now it's going to create some merchandise for this brand. There you go. Smart nutrition. It's a nice little bag. The lettering is precise and it's created a nice logo for this. There you go. Future of nutrition, learn more. Our AI powered blends. Beautiful. That's the landing page design. This is pretty good. I was creating a 4-pack carrier for the juice bottles. Wow. I was going to make a print advertisement format. I must say I'm very interested in seeing this one. Oh my God. The text here has a small mistake, but other than that, it's pretty good. Clean and neat image. It looks as a new AI-powered brand that we are ready to launch. Okay. I'm going to stop this because main work is done, right? Oh, it's explaining these formats as well. That's pretty nice. It's pretty awesome. That worked very well. Now, I want to take a nighttime photo and ask you to make it daytime. Now, should be a pretty straightforward ask for Nano Banana. But hey, let's test it out. Do I have a nighttime? Can I have an evening time pictures? Got that. Seeing the model thinking is pretty interesting. Oh my God, that is pretty awesome. It totally made it a daytime image. And I think what it's showing is pretty accurate. Wow, that was dramatic. From here, went to here. I think it missed a beat. Fabulous. Let me see. Okay, this is a prompt that I got just straight from the Nano Banana website. This is top-down photograph of a crowd of people dispersed across vast, pale, sun-drenched surface. So it's a fairly large prompt, and let's see how it generates it. There you go. This is the image. Wow. Funny thing is, this is a consistent image that it has generated before on the Nano Banana website. We're going to do the medium shot of the 14 fluffy characters. Now, I have not put the pictures in, so let's see what it does in terms of creating the fluffy characters. Will it go into its, or it's just randomly created a bunch of fluffies, which is not bad. Most of them are bears, though. Interesting. Very nice. So that hence the kind of experiment with Nano Banana. I really like the infographic piece. That worked really well. I feel like I should try one more of those infographics because that came out pretty well. Okay, there you go. I have written a breakdown of how Affirm works. So I'm going to use that. And, sorry, it's not Affirm. It's digital in short. It's root. I can just fire the prompt and then let Nano Banana figure it out. Again, the thinking part will be pretty interesting. It's gone into it's just used Google. It didn't read my article. That's a bit sad. Okay, it's come out with a beautiful image. This is phenomenal. I think you can use this for your social media posts or for training people or educational content. So this is pretty good. Let's expand this and see it. This looks pretty good. There's how you download the app, how you drive behavior, do the analysis, risk assessment, claims and support. This is pretty good, I would say. It's pretty good. So all in all, Nano Banana comes out very well in this test and distinguished itself. And I think this is one of the best image models that I've seen so far. It can really be used for a lot of things in the world of image generation, text on images, creating mock-up of products, brand launches, brand identity. I can see it replacing many of the lower level activities that you would require an agency or a brand strategist to create. Hey, I just wanted to test it out for you guys. So I would recommend doing tests of your own, figuring out how to take this to the next level. I personally love the infographics piece. Tell me what you like after you try it out.